1 July 2024, 10:37 hours Pacific Daylight Time. Several of you wanted to learn about the way I set up Eagle Nest-3 and Eagle Nest-4, so in this video I will show you that. Since Eagle Nest-3 and Eagle Nest-4 are the exact same repeaters, I will focus on Eagle Nest-3 in this video. Eagle Nest-3 consists of two mobile transceivers connected by a RIC. Both mobile transceivers are set to high power, the maximum power allowed by the FCC. Eagle Nest-3 also has the feature of digital communications via the Zello application. This is Eagle Nest-3's digital network area. Eagle Nest-3's digital network area consists of a laptop, a mobile transceiver UHF band, and a computer interface that allows the laptop and the mobile transceiver to communicate with each other. This is the workflow for this scenario. I will be out in the field with a handheld transceiver. I will send a transmission via airwaves to Eagle Nest-3. Eagle Nest-3 will transmit my transmission via airwaves to the digital network area's mobile transceiver. The mobile transceiver will send my transmission to the interface, and the interface will send my transmission to the laptop to the Zello application, and the Zello application will send my transmission to the Apple iPhone 13 Pro.
WRUF 747 transmitting into Apple iPhone 13 Pro. WRUF 747 and test out.
Now I will reverse the workflow. I will be out in the field with my Apple iPhone 13 Pro, and I will send a digital communication. That digital communication will go to the laptop and into the Zello application. The Zello application will send my digital communication piece to the interface, and the interface will send it to the transceiver, and the transceiver over the airwaves will send my digital communication piece to Eagle Nest-3, and Eagle Nest-3 will send it out to the open airwaves, and it will reach my handheld transceiver.
747 testing Apple iPhone 13 Pro, transmitting into Motorola XTS 5000R. Testing 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. WRUF 747 and test out.
Let's go to the rooftop, which is located outside on top of the compound. In order to get to the rooftop, we have to go through the penthouse, and this is the penthouse. When we get to the rooftop, we're going to step back in time, as that video was taken May 2023. You're going to hear me refer to the repeater as Eagle Nest-4, but it's really now Eagle Nest-3. Okay, so we are now approximately an extra 100 feet from the penthouse. This is the rooftop of the penthouse. And this is going to be a great place for Eagle Nest-4's transmit antenna. Check out the LOS we've got here. I mean, we had good LOS prior to this move, but I want better. And the reason I want better is because the east coverage is awesome. That's unlimited, not a problem there. The north and the south are also awesome. My biggest challenge is the west, and that's what we got here. So you see this gap in between these two buildings? This is my goal, is to get radio wave frequencies through that gap so I can hit the west. Right now I could hit the west part of the city at about 5 miles, but I want to hit 7 miles all the way down to the beach. So that's my goal. And the objectives to get to my goal is to get this baby, this Eagle Nest-4's transmit antenna, as high as I can possibly go on my property. And this is the highest point of my property. All right, That's it for now.
Collapse time, and we're back to the present, 1 July 2024. This is Eagle Nest-3's antenna, and I met my goal. I can now hit the beach, which is approximately 7 ground miles west of Eagle Nest-3. The view that you see is the eastern view from my penthouse. The antennas you see, viewer camera left, are the RX antennas for Eagle Nest-3 and Eagle Nest-4. I do not use duplexers for my repeaters. I will only use duplexers if I have no other choice. Fortunately, Eagle Nest-3 and Eagle Nest-4 do not have duplexers. Hence, Eagle Nest-3 has its own RX and TX antennas directly connected to it, and Eagle Nest-4 has its own RX and TX antennas directly connected to it. Because Eagle Nest-3 and Eagle Nest-4 have excellent LOS, propagation is usually pretty good within a certain limit. Occasionally, the magic of propagation makes me happy because once in a while, I can receive and transmit signals beyond the limits.